Bonjour, everyone. When I was learning French, sometimes I'd say something in French that would make French people giggle. And I learnt to laugh at myself too. Let's take hot, chaud, hot. Now in English we say I am hot. But in French we would not say je suis chaud. I have done that, and French people have had a little bit of a giggle. We say instead j'ai chaud. I have heat. J'ai chaud. That's quite funny to us, isn't it? J'ai chaud. I have heat. I'm hot. Same too. We say j'ai froid. I am cold. J'ai froid. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai soif. I am thirsty. J'ai soif. J'ai sommeil. I am sleepy. J'ai sommeil. It's all part of fun, learning another language. But the French people are very proud of us when we do speak French. Would you like to learn French with me? Well, today I'm leaving my special offer in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe.